About a month ago, I launched a new service called Aesthetic Blueprints through my platform, Rate by Fresh. The idea was to provide personalized consultations where I would analyze individuals' appearances and craft tailored plans to enhance their looks, what I referred to as Looksmaxxing plans. Initially, I anticipated a modest response, perhaps around 5 to 10 sales, which I saw as an opportunity to better understand my audience's needs and improve my ability to offer personalized advice. To my surprise, the response was overwhelming. Over 100 of you purchased these blueprints, leading to a significant increase in demand that I hadn't anticipated. The influx of orders meant that I spent the next month immersed in this work, dedicating hundreds of hours to creating and refining these aesthetic blueprints. The experience was, to say the least, intense. I had to raise the price multiple times to manage the sheer volume of requests. The initial estimated turnaround time of 1 to 3 days stretched into a much longer period, and I faced challenges delivering orders within the expected timeframe. As some of the reviews noted, the process was a significant grind, but it offered invaluable insights into my audience and their needs. In this video, I want to share some of the key lessons I've learned from this experience and offer tips on how you can create your own aesthetic blueprint. I believe that a personalized approach is the most effective way to achieve desired results, and understanding these principles can help you develop a plan tailored specifically to your needs. Here's what I've learned from spending a month and hundreds of hours working on these blueprints. The first and most crucial element of an aesthetic blueprint is establishing a strong foundation. If you're carrying excess body fat, it's essential to address this before focusing on finer details like your wardrobe or hairstyle. The foundation of a successful Looksmaxxing plan is achieving a body fat level that allows your features to shine. This doesn't mean you need to attain a body fat percentage so low that every muscle striation is visible. Instead, aim for a healthy body fat level that enhances your overall appearance and makes your features stand out more clearly. Everyone's body responds differently to changes in body fat. Some individuals may look better with a bit of extra fat, while others might find that reducing body fat improves their appearance. For example, some people may look more appealing with a bit of a husky build, while others might develop deep under eye circles if they get too lean. It's important to find a body fat level that suits your individual features and overall health. This doesn't mean you should indulge in unhealthy eating habits, but rather be mindful of how different body fat levels impact your appearance and well-being. Achieving balance in your appearance is essential for a harmonious look. This involves balancing your features to create a cohesive overall appearance. For instance, if you're experiencing hairline thinning, opting for a hairstyle with a fringe can help balance out the look instead of choosing styles that emphasize thinning hair. Similarly, if you have a prominent nose, covering your forehead with your hair can make your nose appear larger and disrupt facial balance. Paying attention to these details and learning how to balance your features effectively can make a significant difference in your overall look. When it comes to achieving the ideal physique, it's important to understand that everyone's body responds differently to training. After a year of consistent gym workouts, you may notice that some body parts are more developed than others. For instance, some individuals might have larger chests and arms, while others might see more growth in their legs. The key is to adjust your training routine to address weaker areas and bring them in line with the rest of your body. Personalizing your workout routine based on your specific physique is crucial for achieving balanced and noticeable results. Your lifestyle can have a significant impact on your appearance. For example, spending excessive time indoors can lead to pale skin, dark under eye circles, and poor posture. It's important to evaluate how your daily activities affect your face and body. Spending more time outdoors, improving your posture, and ensuring you have a balanced lifestyle can positively influence your appearance. Taking a break from screens and engaging in healthy habits can make a noticeable difference in your overall look. Creating a vision board can be a powerful tool for planning your Looksmaxxing journey. A vision board is a collection of images that represent different aspects of your aesthetic plan. This might include photos of hairstyles you admire, images of lifestyle habits like weightlifting or meal planning, or pictures of individuals whose style you want to emulate. By visually organizing your goals and inspirations, you can create a clearer vision of your desired look and lifestyle. To see meaningful progress in Looksmaxxing, tracking your efforts is essential. Whether you're aiming to lose weight, build muscle, or improve your skincare routine, keeping detailed records can help you identify what works and what doesn't. Track your caloric intake, macronutrient goals, workout routines, and skincare products to monitor your progress. For example, if you're not seeing gains in the gym, review your lifting progress and adjust your routine as needed. Similarly, if your skincare routine isn't yielding results, evaluate and adjust your products accordingly. Tracking helps you avoid wasted effort and make informed adjustments. Sometimes, it's challenging to objectively assess your own appearance. Getting feedback from a fresh perspective can be incredibly valuable. Whether it's a professional stylist, a friend, or a family member, external opinions can provide honest insights that you might not see yourself. This feedback can help you refine your aesthetic plan and make more informed decisions about your look. Looking ahead, the service for aesthetic blueprints remains active on BuyFresh.com, though I'm unsure how long I'll continue offering them due to the time commitment involved. In conclusion, these are the most significant tips and insights I've gathered while working on aesthetic blueprints. If you're interested in making your own Looksmaxxing plan, I hope these recommendations help you achieve your desired results. Don't forget to follow the channel and join our Discord community for more updates and support. I'll include links below for further resources and the Notion template I created to help track your Looksmaxxing progress.